Hello again. We're talking about the changes and shifts that are happening in July month. The stars and the planets are aligning, and we're aligning with them actually. It affects us as much as it affects the universe. Transformation is about to take place, and we need to trust our intuition and stay aligned with our own good. Um, There's a lot of things going on around the world and around us. But this is time for us to take control of our own lives and we will receive clarity and about about all this. It's never happened before, so allow these shifts and change to happen at this time. In the past, we did our best, but the troubles just carried on piling up. And the universe wants us to know that we've been living in an illusion. We busy now finding truth, and that is from within us. We need to nurture ourselves and break away from things that don't align with ourselves. Dream your dreams into being. In the future, there's a lot of things falling away, and you will eventually see the big picture. Think of it that life is a mystery because that is what it is, and we will all know exactly where we stand very soon. It's a very stressful time. So move forward in your life and fill yourself with divine love and grace. The Ace of Pentacles tell us that the divine is here helping us on planet Earth go through these universal changes that have to take place. You're never alone, so carry on with what you're doing. It will pay off. We are going to unite as a people and ascend as one. It's a beautiful thing. So surrender now and trust and have faith in divine guidance. It's a whole new beginning. So it doesn't matter what people say or what it's going to happen, and there will be major improvements in our lives. Thank you very much. Keep safe. Love you all very much.